Hey guys, welcome to Fanaticalsiderider. My name is Roland. Today we're going to be adding a new Kemimoto windshield, a half windshield to the Cfmoto Zforce 950. So this windshield here is okay for winter. So it only goes so high and really doesn't give you much protection from wind or bugs or anything during the summer months. So this is a two-piece windshield and it's great in the wintertime, fall, early spring. I'll put in the upper part, fits really good, does its job. But during the summer, like the hot days, it's okay because it's slow, right? Actually, you don't even need it. But then there's those off weather days where you get like a cold day or maybe even some rain and you would like a higher windshield. So that's why I have the Kemimoto half windshield and we put it on. It goes right to these points right here on the 950. But the problem now is when you install the windshield, you have to remove the factory Cfmoto mirrors. So I got Kemimoto mirrors, which will fit up here and they're gonna work great. I'm just gonna remove this now and we're gonna put the windshield on. Okay, we have the windshield in place now and we have a rubber weather stripping here that you have to put on at the base of the windshield. Pretty self-explanatory, just squeeze it on and trim it to your size if it needs trimming. Now we have these Velcro straps and I don't know what you call that, a buckle, that goes on your windshield. I imagine they go something like this. Again, self-explanatory. Yeah, that's how they go on. Squeeze them through the back here and it just pull it through and it reaches around like that. You have 4 of them. So I'm just going to leave these semi-loose right now until I get all 4 on and situate the windshield the way I want it. So this is how these straps are built. You know, you see these pretty much in all the straps manufacturers make. Slides through here like this. You grab it and bring it around like that. All right, our Kemimoto half windshield is installed. You can see how it comes right up to the bend in the front cage here. So we're going to get a lot more coverage from dust and rocks and bugs and wind and everything. You can see it from the inside. Needs a cleaning. It's dirty. I'll give it a quick wash. Even the machine's dirty. I've been out so much lately and it's been raining so often that there's no point in washing it half the time because I'm going out right away. So it's got a bit of a dust on it, dust buildup on it, so we'll get that cleaned up too. Okay, now I'm going to install the Kemimoto mirrors. They look pretty well made. I already checked them out and they should fit up around here, just above the mirror. They're fully adjustable so that you can adjust them to where you need them to go. So here's the Kemimoto mirror. It's a nice looking mirror, you know, it looks well made. So it'll adjust this way. It'll adjust this way, so you spin it this way, and it also adjusts this way here as well. So this way here, this way, and this way. And it's good and stiff, it's not going to come loose. So a pretty easy install. Comes with these rubbers here to fit into around in here so it's snug and doesn't rattle on your roll cage. Also comes with a different size Allen keys for any adjustments you may have to make on the bolts. So we're going to go ahead and slap these on. It shouldn't take long at all. All right, our Kemimoto windshield and Kemimoto mirrors are on. They're installed. That was easy. One thing I like about Kemimoto is everything's easy to install. So there's the mirror. That's what they look like. I already have them adjusted to the way I want them. They're a nice looking mirror. They actually look good higher up like that. And you know what, when you're turning corners now, at least where I sit for my height, when I look out this way, the factory mirror is in my way. So right now, where this mirror is, I can see my vision is going to be a lot better. But yeah, it looks fine. Looks good, and I'm going to have more wind protection for sure. So I'm going to take this out for a rep right now and give it a try. And as always, if you want links to any of these accessories that I put on, I'll always leave links to accessories down in the description below this video where you can just click the link and go get those accessories if you want them. And yes, I do have more accessories to add. We're going to be doing more videos really soon. So make sure you come back. Please hit the thumbs up on this video. It helps me, and we'll catch you on the next video.